Why don't senior citizens need to buy alarm clocks? Because when the city installs free wheelchair ramps, they get a concrete wake-up call at 7 a.m. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on free wheelchair ramps for seniors. Tip 1. Start the research. Begin by researching various sources that offer free wheelchair ramps and related mobility equipment for seniors. Some community organizations, non-profits, and even governmental agencies provide free or heavily discounted ramps. Also, medical equipment loan programs might have ramps available. Tip 2. Medical prescriptions. If a medical professional prescribes a wheelchair ramp as a necessity for a senior's well-being, insurance companies may cover part of the cost. Speak with the senior's healthcare providers or insurance company to see if this option is available. Tip 3. Explore veterans' benefits. If the senior is a military veteran, they could be eligible for free or discounted home modifications, including wheelchair ramps, through the Department of Veterans Affairs, VA. Reach out to the local VA office for more information. Tip 4. Engage with disability groups. Many disability advocacy groups sometimes provide grants or other assistance to help seniors with home modifications. You could reach out to organizations like the National Council on Independent Living or the National Disability Rights Network. Tip 5. Contacting community volunteer groups. Groups like Habitat for Humanity or Rebuilding Together often offer free labor and possibly materials to build ramps. Your local Rotary or Lions Club may also have similar projects. Tip 6. Check local senior centers and municipal offices. Some cities and municipalities have programs in place to provide financial and technical assistance to seniors needing home modifications. Also, local senior centers may offer guidance or resources. Tip 7. Look into area agencies on aging, ADA. ADAs may have access to federal, state and local resources and can help seniors navigate what's available. Call a local ADA office or the Elder Care Locator for assistance. Tip 8. Seek out local non-profits. Some non-profit organizations like Rebuilding Together and the Center for Disability Rights offer programs designed to help seniors adapt their homes, including building ramps. Tip 9. Tap into faith-based organizations. Local churches, synagogues and mosques may have volunteer teams who assist with home modifications, or they might have funds set aside to aid their community members. Tip 10. Consider Medicaid waivers. If the senior is a Medicaid recipient, Home and Community-Based Services, HCBS waivers, can often cover the cost of home modifications such as wheelchair ramps. Tip 11. Loans and grants. Some organizations offer loans and grants for seniors who cannot afford to install a wheelchair ramp in their homes. For example, the USDA provides grants for senior citizens living in rural areas, while the FHA provides loans for home modifications. These funds can be considerably helpful, minimizing or eliminating the cost.